Mishet, هو دكتور مشت مشي؟ دكتور مشت, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you. I agree with the previous speakers. Of course, it was a great experience, and looking from different side. So it was a pleasure to be here. Very nice case analysis today, and great surgical results. So congratulations for you, Dr. Angie. For me, at the beginning of my road in blepharoplasty, the main problem is the skin marking in different situations and different patients. So maybe this part in the next course should be a bit enlarged.
Okay, I will send you videos on the WhatsApp, okay, of skin marking of different operation, how to mark. But as I told you before, there's a
Yeah,
basic technique where you mark the amount of skin to remove, and there is a vision of how to transform these eyes to beautiful eyes with a lateralization rule, okay? So there's a basic skin marking which I will share with you, and I will share with you also along the upcoming 2 weeks. I have a lot of operations in the upcoming 2 weeks. Okay, I will share with you the different marking in every case from my operations in the next week. Okay.
perfect. Thank you so much.